In this video, I'll show you how to deploy the second strategy. The great thing is you don't even have to create a new retargeting list. Just use the retargeting list that you created to deploy strategy number 1. Okay, so again, to get started, click on Create Ad. Then select the campaign objective, increase conversions on your website. Now, really important, enter the URL of the new squeeze page, okay, of the brand new offer. You don't want to send them back to the squeeze page they've already seen. You want to show them something new. Then again, choose a conversion pixel. Click on Continue. Perfect. Everything else is basically the same. You want to select the custom audience again, right? Then, as we figured out before, you want to specify the location. So define the target audience you want to reach out to, the people living in a very specific location. And if necessary, specify the age and the gender, right? So, everything is basically the same, and then you just want to sell the new product. Okay, you want to enter in the headline something like, hey, how to get 1,000 Twitter fans, how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers, whatever you want to sell. So specify the offer in the headline, and in the ad text again, you want to provide a compelling reason to check out the offer. So it's basically the same strategy that you deploy to send people to the actual first squeeze page. Just use the very same strategies that you apply and that are working for you to send people to the second squeeze page. You don't have to tell them specifically that they checked out your first offer already and that they didn't like it. No, you're just taking a very general and broad approach, and you're saying, hey, here's something you might like, how to get this 1,000 Twitter fans on Facebook, how to get 1,000 Twitter fans within 24 hours, and then you say something like, find out about 3 simple steps how to generate a ton of followers on Twitter with just a $10 budget. Or if your product is about how to get blog readers, how to get 1,000 blog readers, this amazing checklist will reveal to you a great way to attract blog readers instantly. Okay, if you're done, place your order, and that's a way to deploy the strategy and to serve ads to the people who've seen your first squeeze page but didn't opt in. So if you got a second lead magnet in place, a second squeeze page, definitely test this strategy. It works pretty well. So go ahead and take action.